Hello kids, let's know some colors. Brown color, white color, grey color, black color, rose color, pink color, green color, violet color, light blue color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, light green color, red color. Let's tracing the letters. A. A for ant eater. A for ant eater. B. B for bear. B for bear. C. C for car. C for car. D. D for dolphin. D for dolphin. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for football. F for football. G for gum. G for gum. H for horse. H for horse. I for insect. I for insect. J for jackfruit. J for jackfruit. K for kitten. K for kitten. L for ladybug. L for ladybug. M for mushroom. M for mushroom. N for nail. N for nail. O for otter. O for otter. P for pizza. P for pizza. Q for quiz. Q for quiz. R for rooster. R for rooster. S for snake. S for snake. T for tortoise. T for tortoise. U U for up. U for up. V. V for vulture. V for vulture. W. W for water. W for water. X. X for box. X for box. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z for zero. Z for zero. A for anteater. B for bear. C for car. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for football. G for gum. H for horse. I for insect. J for jackfruit. K for kitten. L for ladybug. M for mushroom. N for nail. O for water. P for pizza. Q for quiz. R for rooster. S for snake. T for tortoise. U for up. V for vulture. W for water. X for box. Y for yak. Z for zero. Thank you.